Hi guys, Mitch King with the market recap March 18th. Here's the Dow 30, up a half of 1%. The Dow has been the weakest index. We've had 2 up days. It'd be interesting to see if we get above that 16.5 number. And if we get above 16.6, that's an all-time new high. Being the weakest index so far, it'd be a little surprising if we see that. But the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ is the strongest one. So that's not too far off. Putin's speech today calmed people down. Plus, we got some good housing data. So stocks are probably going to head up a little more. And as I mentioned on last night's report, that the shorts were something to take smaller profits on, and that my hunch was that the shorts weren't going to drop dramatically, and the bulls would probably come back. So just reviewing a few of the shorts that got stopped out here is Belden. Was on a nice run from 75 to 71. Rebound the last couple of days, higher highs, so you need to get out. Here's another short that has moved higher to some higher highs, and that's real dangerous when you got this kind of action going. Same thing with US Silica, which is SLCA, made a higher high of 37.25. A couple of stocks were traded today in the trading room. Here's FOSL. If you saw this soon enough, you could go on the long side, and there were some guys getting a little bit on the short side. And this was seen by someone in the trading room, and this one went from this $26 level to about $26.70. And this kind of pattern here where you got a high volume and a real spike up, breaks out, it's obviously some news, and that kind of trading action usually means that this continues to move up. You guys take care. We'll talk to you tomorrow.